All right, Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of Leaf Metal Draft Football for T-Money 1723. He wants box 8. This is box 8. Good luck. Now we got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good luck, T-Money. Got Jeff Driscoll. Jeff Driscoll. Louisiana State Bulldogs. Not numbered. Then we have Keith Marshall. Keith Marshall. Not numbered for the Georgia Bulldogs. Then we have Tajay Sharp. Tajay Sharp for UMass. Yep. Then we got Braylon Addison, State Pride, Oregon. Not numbered. Not numbered, just refractor. And the big one, Jared Goff, California State Pride, blue. Jared Goff. That is 19 of only 25. Congrats, T-Money. Nice Jared Goff there, man. Very nice.